We all know that cosplay can be pretty pricey. Not all of us have the money for cosplay. If you guys are bored and you have no clue what you want to cosplay, here are some few easy beginner cosplay ideas for if you either are losing inspiration or if you just want to save on costs. If you are an anime watcher, you probably have noticed that a lot of anime characters are, well, there are a lot of plots in anime where they're based in school, which makes it really easy when you're shopping for cosplay because honestly, as long as you get like that base school uniform, you can make so many different cosplays. And overall, since they have a lot less pieces than most other cosplays, they're a lot cheaper. For example, Yandere Simulator, Ayano, she basically just has her school uniform, her wig, and I mean, basically the only thing you really need to worry about to really bring the character to life is the makeup, like fake blood and stuff, and effects, which that's not normally very pricey to do. If you don't have fake blood, you can always just use color dye or, you know, like food dye. Some more characters that have school uniforms are the characters from Doki Doki Literature Club. They basically have their school uniforms and then they have like different hair colors, which a lot of people normally go towards Doki Doki for their beginner cosplays. Same thing as for Power and Denji from Chainsaw Man, which is honestly a newer anime series. A lot more people are going to recognize you, and especially since the fan base is pretty huge. The characters, they basically just have like a button-up white shirt and like it looks like a school uniform. So the thing that I love about school uniforms is that you can basically recreate so many different characters with just a white button-up and like pants. Another character with like a similar outfit base would be Marin from My Dress Up Darling. She basically just has her uniform button up, her skirt, and then you just have to worry about the wig and the eye contacts if you want. You don't necessarily need to get eye contacts because it is shown in the series that she uses pink eye contacts and her eyes aren't naturally pink. Another thing is Killua from Hunter x Hunter, because he has so many different outfits. And he's one of the only anime characters where you will see multiple different fits for, and that's something that can be really fun for you because you don't have to necessarily just do one version of the character. You can get all the separate outfits and have like separate different photo shoots. If you're more into cartoons than you are into anime, well, you can always cosplay Gravity Falls, because Mabel and Dipper, their outfits are basically everyday clothes, which you can easily thrift or alter to suit the characters that you're trying to dress up as. Almost every Western cartoon, most of them that are like targeted towards kids, are easily thriftable because of the fact that they normally have like everyday regular clothes. In comparison to anime, they have more like specific to the character's design, and for the most part you'll probably notice that you already have some of those things in your closet. If you're running out of ideas or you don't like any of the ideas I said previously, you can always do like a casual version of one of your favorite characters. Like it could be a superhero or a character that has an outfit that might be way too detailed that you can't do yourself. You can always make a more like modern, everyday look for that character. For example, if they live in a different era, you can be like, oh, if they lived in 2023 or whatever year you're watching this. And if you're really, really bored and you don't want to pay anything extra or go out shopping and you just want to do something with whatever you have in the closet, something that I really like to do is that I will dress up as one of my OCs, or I'll find a bunch of different like outfits that look really cool. For example, do like an elf photo shoot, or do like a medieval photo shoot, or something with like a certain aesthetic kind of photo shoot, like Harajuku style. What I've been seeing a lot of people do is that they'll look at a bunch of their old favorite movies or movies that make them feel nostalgic, and then they'll dress up as the characters, which is honestly really fun. Like, I sometimes will look at a bunch of old movies I have, and then I'll be like, hey, these clothes kind of look like this character. Why not? Please let me know if this video was useful to you. But yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want to join the tree fam. So, have a good life. That is not a threat, I swear. I'm bad at outros. Ah.